right, cake of the week. Y'all ready? I'm ready. And it's late today. It's like I really got off work, y'all. It's past 5 o'clock this afternoon. It's just like when I used to get off work at 4 o'clock, fight that Katy freeway traffic, get here by 5:15, still have a uniform on, tired, just want to go lay down, but refuse to go upstairs until I get the cake in the oven. That's how I feel right now, y'all. But I got a good one for you today. I wanted to make a pound cake, you already see the picture, the name, that I could share with my neighbors without cutting it. So I come up, I'm gonna put it in my loaf pan. I'm gonna make a batter, split it between 2 loaf pans, and I got it coated with some turbinado sugar, which is gonna get that, show you a turbinado sugar. I got my pan sprayed and coated with turbinado sugar, and it's gonna get that nice crunch, you know, that pound cake crunch. On the outside, it's gonna be so moist on the inside. Cream cheese vanilla pound cake, y'all. It's so simple, so easy. There's no leavening agent in here. That's why you gotta really whip your eggs and, your cream cheese and butter, eggs, all that really nice, because there's no leavening agent. Nothing to make it rise. It's gonna rise by faith, y'all. But anyway, let me tell you what I have. Room temperature butter, sugar, cream cheese, room temperature, eggs, room temperature, got a little vanilla in the back, and got some 3 cups of cake flour, 3 cups of cake flour here. And then I got my pans. I got 2 loaf pans right here. We're gonna split the batter in between 2 loaf pans. So anyway, y'all, let's get this party started. We're gonna cream this butter and sugar together. Not butter and sugar. We're gonna cream the butter and, come on, Chef Jeffrey. We're gonna cream the butter and cream cheese together for a minute here. Let them get to know each other a little bit. And then we're gonna let the sugar come to the party. So let's get this going. And then we'll come right back and add that sugar to this. And we'll go to the next step. This batter is so easy and simple, y'all. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, now we're gonna add our sugar to this. Need about a little. Let that sugar and butter and cream cheese all about 2. Okay, we're gonna let this cream together about 6 to 7 minutes, y'all. Y'all already know until it's nice, light, and creamy. Then we're gonna come back and add the eggs. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. Let me show y'all something here. So you'll know. See how light and fluffy that is? That's what you want, y'all. You want it light and fluffy like that. Like I say, you have no leavening agent in here. So leavening agent, a lot of people don't. Let me dumb it down. Baking powder, baking soda. That's why I mean leavening agent. So you got to make sure you whip this good, because the air in here what's gonna give it the levelation that it needs. Okay, we're gonna put the eggs in here one at a time. We put it one at a time so you don't deflate all that good work you just put in. If I pour all the eggs in here at one time, it's gonna deflate all the work we've done. Go ahead and throw our vanilla in there. Okay, we're gonna get this a little scrape down. We're gonna add our flour little by little. And this thing gonna be ready to go in the oven, y'all. Then I can go relax for about an hour. Okay, we're gonna add our flour in here little at a time. Y'all know me, I hate to over mix cake. Got the last of it in here. Come on, Jeff. I'm going all this flour in there, y'all. All of it. Okay. Y'all know me. I don't like to overmix. That's it. We're going to mix the rest by hand here. This off in here. Get all that off of there. Off the beater. Hand that to your kids or your grandkids or your husband, your significant other while they're in the way. They'll be happy. All right, see all that little flour right there on the side? On the bottom? I'm gonna mix all that in there, y'all. Y'all know the deal. Y'all been watching me enough. Y'all know the deal here. That's why I like having a glass bowl, y'all, where I can kind of see what I'm doing here. I can see what I'm doing here. Make sure I'm getting everything out of there. Okay. Put all that up in there, y'all. Okay. Now, push this back to the back here. Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. Be right back. All right, y'all. We back. Okay. Like I told y'all, I got it coated with turbinado sugar. You don't have to do this, but I do it in the low pan because it gives it an extra sweetness on the edge. Like I said, you definitely don't have to do this. Okay. And also put parchment paper on the bottom because I want to be sure that these cakes come out, y'all. Just doing all that work and your cake don't come out. Ain't nothing worse than that, right? We all been there, done that, right? Been there, done that, right? Get them all in here, y'all. All of them in there, all that batter in there, split between two containers here, or two pans. Okay. Now we're gonna smooth this down. Make this nice and smooth there. Have a nice top. Now your oven should be preheated at 325 degrees. We're gonna cook these for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now, I like to check mine after 50 minutes. That's just me. Because now every oven is different, y'all, depending on where you are. You up there in different Colorado, you different from me down here in the Katy, Texas. And somebody over there in New York City. So anyway, 325 degrees, 60 to 70 minutes. We'll be back, show you the final product when it come out there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, the cake's out of the oven, and I'm gonna let them get cool. I have to let them, because of the sugars that's in here. And this is a very important step. If you're gonna coat it with the sugar like I did, it has to set in the pan, cool in the pan for 30 minutes. Just set your timer, however you do it, on 30 minutes, because all that sugar that's in there is going to slowly cool and coat on the outside of this cake. So that's what you want to do. So we'll be back in 30 minutes. Of course, it'll be 1 second for y'all. And then we'll flip this out and continuously put it on the rack, and we'll let it cool completely and for another 30 minutes or so. And then we're going to cut it and we're going to taste it. This cake is going to be one of the moistest, most flavorful cake, pound cakes you ever had. I promise you. I absolutely promise you. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes. See that nice little crust on top, y'all? Oh my God, that's the pound cake right there. All right, you're just gonna flip them out, take that paper off of there, lay it right back on my rack here. Get that one out. Take the paper off of that. We're gonna let them things set just like here. just like so. Break that off of there, just like that. Look at that, y'all. Look at them pound cakes. Oh my goodness, can't wait to cut into these. So I'm gonna let them cool completely. Yep, let that sugar and all that stay on there. Let sugar on there, y'all, man. And we'll come back, y'all, and we'll cut a piece. Probably when you come back, I'll be done cut it, slice it on the platter. And I gotta show y'all how good it is. Old school cream cheese vanilla pound cake. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, got the cake right there, sliced up. The cake right here. Got the other one back here. Look at that nice crispy top on there, y'all. That's the key. Pound cake. But like I say, y'all, this is a better way to make a pound cake if you're going to share it with somebody or with a neighbor. Even if you're going to freeze them, all you got to do is wrap it in some plastic and foil and freeze it. But look at this, y'all. I'm not going to even use a fork for this. Look how moist this cake is, y'all. Look how moist it is. You can just tell how moist. See how moist that cake is, y'all? Look at that. Look how moist this cake is. Absolutely. Let me show you. See? See how moist that cake is, y'all. Going in. This is so good. Get you some coffee or some milk. Or serve it with some whipped cream and fresh berries. Oh, this is so good. Cream cheese vanilla pound cake. Can't go wrong with that. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It literally melts in your mouth. Literally. Melts in your mouth. Easy peasy cake of the week this week. I didn't mail it in. All homemade from scratch. Don't need no icing on there. That's another thing. Don't need no icing on this, y'all. Serve it just like this. So, anyway, put my, serve like that, put my little lid on there. Hey, neighbors come over. I have some pound cake already sliced for you. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok. OldSchoolSoulFood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all. Bye.